So you don't want to spend hours rendering and want to paint wood texture faster and easier, you say? I'm going to show you a fast and smart way to paint wood texture. You're going to first need a shape. Now use the basic round brush. Pick some colors. Okay, like 5 to 7 colors. And don't pick it from the same hue range. This is going to make your wood texture look really flat. Instead, pick some different hues. Some more warm, some more cool. A little bit more yellow, a little bit more red. This is going to give it more life. Or if you're just lazy, just use mine. Now use the middle section of the color from dark to light. Fill the shape up with the lasso tool or paint it in. Next, cut the shape. By erasing the edges, you're going to make it look less rigid. If you make a mistake, it's alright. Go back and then fix it up. When you're done, add a clipping mask, add some brush marks, and some light colors. Use some darks. Now switch to your smudging tool and smudge away. This is going to give your wood texture more life and form. Add some lines. Remember to make it different sizes, and this is going to make it more organic, like a wood texture. Try not to make them all same size and same width apart. This will make your tree texture too unnatural looking. Now pick a darker color to be able to give it the shadows of the cracks. Now duplicate the layer and fill it up with the light color. Move it to the side a little. Place this underneath and voila, got yourself some highlights. If you want, erase it a little bit to make it extra pop. This will make it look even more natural. Now time for your secret weapon, your rake brush. You can use any rake brush you like. What? You don't have a rake brush? Don't worry. Here's one below for you. All you really need is to pay your soul. A subscribe. Now use that rake brush, pick a darker color, and follow the lines. Now do the same with the lighter color. This is going to give you that extra detail and texture. Lower the opacity of the rake brush texture and erase away. This will give it a more subtle look. Now repeat the same steps 2 more times with the darker colors from the right. And you got yourself a knife. Oh wait, that's next time. Here's your glorious cube. Bye.